The climate-controlled seat switches are located here and are used to cool the front seats. The heated seat switches are located here and are used to warm the seats. With the engine started, push this switch once for high heat, twice for medium heat, and 3 times for low heat. This indicator light will illuminate. To cool the seat, push this switch. Push the switch again to adjust the level of airflow. This indicator light will illuminate. To turn the climate-controlled seat off, push the switch until the indicator light turns off. The second row seats may be equipped with independent heated seat controls located on the back of the front center console. Push this switch once for high heat, twice for medium heat, and 3 times for low heat. This indicator light will illuminate. Please see your owner's manual for important safety information, system limitations, and additional operating and feature information.